hereby certify and affirm the authenticity and legitimacy of the papal bull issued by His Holiness Pope Francis on September 21, 2024, appointing Most Reverend Marcelino Antonio M. Maranin Jr., D.D., as the Bishop of the Diocese of San Pablo. This certification is solemnly made in accordance with the norms of canon law and ecclesiastical tradition during the celebration of the Holy Eucharist, presided over by Most Reverend Mario Hubert C. Vergara, D.D., Apostolic Administrator of the Diocese of San Pablo, and in the presence of the clergy of the diocese. The said papal bull, having been properly received and verified during this liturgical act, bears witness to the Holy Father's mandate and the divine will for the pastoral leadership of the Diocese of San Pablo. In testimony whereof, we affix our signatures this November 2024 at St. Peter's College Seminary, Barangay Concepcion, San Pablo City. Signatories, College of Consultors, Reverend Father Ricardo de Luna, Reverend Monsignor Mario Rafael M. Castillo, Reverend Father Lawrence Pedrealba, Reverend Father Reynaldo Kaya, Reverend Monsignor Jerry Tituon, Reverend Father Luis A. Valentino, Reverend Father Marciano R. Bihan, Reverend Father George Sander V. Coronado, Reverend Father Josefo Ilya Carlos, Reverend Father Mario Rivera, witnessed by Most Reverend Mario Hubert C. Vergara, D.D., Apostolic Administrator.